Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 14th, 2021. Almost weekend, but we have two Sudokus left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic. But first, boys and girls, we solve this one. And this will be number 2, 7, and 9, 1. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Between an O comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. And now, do I need to compare? And that's the question. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think I need to compare, but almost the same. This one is almost the same. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The first column and the 7th column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright. And double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And now compare again. I don't believe this. Yes, almost the same, this one. 010. Do we have a 010 here? 010. No. Double one. Almost the same. 10. 110. Yeah. Oh, one. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those two boxes. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1 2 3 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great. Binary. I like this one. You need to compare twice. So yeah. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.